Oh, come on, Kierma. Stop turning up on me. Hi guys, my name is Janae, aka LAJ, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an easy bun tutorial for you all. It's a middle part, sleek down bun look. This is what I wear to work. This is what I wear when I'm being lazy and when my hair is not cooperating. Just throw her in a bun, good to go. And I'm going to show you how to achieve that. Just stay tuned and watch. Today I'm going to be using this Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. This is a leave-in conditioner and it smells so good. This also smells good, my Garnier Whole Blend. Now this is a conditioner that I would have to rinse out of my hair. I'm also using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Castor Oil. Now as you can see, it's almost done. I need to refill it, but this is one of my favorites. I will also be using another leave-in conditioner. This is by Beautiful Textures. Now, they used to have another bottle and I liked that one before they switched to this, but you know, what can I do? I'm using my Eco Styler gel to gel down my hair. I have some hair clips to clip everything back. A nice Denman brush to detangle my hair with while I'm in the shower. I also have a bristled brush. I need this, it's very important, as well as my wide tooth comb. And then here I have a few scrunchies, which I'll be using to tie my hair. Now as you can see, my hair is super dry right here. I'm about to get in the shower, wash my hair, and bring this thing back to life. And now here I've already taken out my twist and I'm going to just separate the rest. As you can see, my hair is now fully separated. I'm about to go and wash my hair. When I come back, I'm going to show you the rest of my process and what I do to slick my hair down. So right now my hair is fully washed. I have it sectioned off in 4 parts. I'm just going to take this clip down, and I do my hair in 4 parts because it's just a little easier for me to manage. And since I will be working in parts, I'm just going to start with the back of my hair, and then the 2 twists that I have in the front, I'm going to put them up. I already have product in my hair. I decided to add all my leave-in conditioners and everything off camera, so I won't be adding anything else into my hair besides the gel. The section in the back, I'm going to brush it first, and I do this because it allows me to smooth it out so that when I add my gel, it's just a little bit easier. Now that my hair is up, I'm going to section off the back of my hair and I'm going to twist it up. It's just a little easier for me because in the end I'm going to make the bun, so I would love to have my twist stretched. Now that I'm done twisting my hair to the end, I'm going to take this top down, and pretty much for the rest of the video I won't talk as much, but right now I'm about to part the middle of my head so that I can have the middle part, and then I will be working in sections. I'll show you instead of coming back to talk, so just watch. me take this clip out and just let the rest of my hair dry. And I like to do this because the twists are protected underneath my scarf, so when I sleep it's not rubbing all on my pillow. And I do sleep with a silk pillowcase, so that also helps my hair. Every night I always wrap my hair. Doesn't matter what hairstyle I have to wrap my hair, because if I don't wrap my hair I just feel like my hair is just going to dry out and it's going to break, it's going to get brittle. That's just how I've always been. So yes, I never go to bed without my hair wrapped. And this is it. This is the end of this video here. I hope that you liked it, and I'm going to show you what the rest looks like tomorrow. So now it's the next morning. Well, afternoon. I kind of forgot. I took my twist out already, so you know, they're still here, but I'm going to put the bun in, or I'm going to make the bun. So let me take this off. My hair and everything is dry except for what's left out, because it's not completely dry. So this is my hair now, and this is what's not completely dry. I have my bobby pins here. We do need some bobby pins, so got the bobbies. Alright, and let's try to make the bun, because ooh, you're in the way. I can't even see. Okay, so I just wrapped the back like this. I don't know if you can see. I'm about to bobby pin it in place so this side here stays. And I'm going to take what's left of the remaining leave out and kind of twist it over. Whoops, look at my twist. I didn't take them out completely, but it's okay. And try to manipulate this bun here. Let's see if I can get the bag. And that's it. I have only 3 bobby pins in right now because I do not like so many bobby pins in my head. I try to limit it between at least 2 or 3 whenever I do a bun. And this is pretty much what I do when I go to work for the remaining of the week. And it lasts a full week. I love it, love it, love it. If anything, I'll probably like take this down and redo the twist so that I can do it again in the morning. But this is it. I hope that you liked it. Let me know if you like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you would like to see more of. Don't forget to give this a thumbs up.